Yeah, I know. I'm a little stuck. What are you working on? Oh! Birds. I'm really just curious how you got yourself in there in the first place, and now how I am going to get you out.
Went to a pet store and saw these guys having the time of their lives.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Kitty cat ready to do battle. Kitty cat, how are you? There you are. Coming down here. Oh! Whoops. You got my glove. You got my glove. Give me my glove back, you. Nuts. Here. Hang on. Here, take it with you.
Watch me try to scare my dog.
Okay, that's not supposed to.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Yeah. Yeah, he's got a burger. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Show mama.
Let's see it.
Fail. Max, you running too damn slow. Speed up, long head bitch.